Hello students, so today we are going to talk about diffusion. Okay, what is it about? Have you ever wondered when we are cooking the smell can spread throughout the house, or if we put a drop of ink into some water and leave it for a day, what's the color of the ink after a while? Okay, will it spread throughout the water? Why is this so? This is actually because of diffusion. Okay, let's go through it. What is diffusion? So here in this topic we are going to describe and explain diffusion, and then we will describe and explain dependence of rate of diffusion on molecular mass. First, have a look on this diagram. Here as a solvent we have water. What did we put? We put dye in it. After a while what happens? It started spreading randomly, and after a while the molecules they actually spread evenly here. Why is this so? This is because of diffusion. Diffusion is the random movement of particles from higher concentration to lower concentration. What is happening actually in liquids and even the gases? The particles, they are constantly moving and changing the direction as they hit other particles. Okay, and that is why they seem to move in random direction. Okay, so what happens actually? Diffusion results in the particles spreading throughout the space available to them. Okay, the overall direction of the movement is from where the particles are more concentrated to where the particles are less concentrated. As here we know, like where we have put the dye, it is more concentration here, and they will move towards less concentration. Okay, and now when we are talking about that, why generally diffusion only occurs in liquids and gases? Because the particles, they are free to move, and diffusion in gases is faster than in liquids. Why is this so? This is because in gases the particles, they move rapidly, but in liquids they actually move slowly. Diffusion does not occur in solid. And why is this so? Because the particles are tightly packed together and they only vibrate at their fixed position. They cannot move around. Now come to the second part here, where we are talking about the dependence of rate of diffusion on molecular masses. So we have taken a long glass tube, as you can see in the diagram. At the one end, what do we have? We have concentrated hydrochloric acid. Okay, while the other end we have ammonia. So what will happen? Concentrated hydrochloric acid gives off fumes of a colorless gas called hydrogen chloride, while the other end, concentrated ammonia solution, gives off colorless ammonia gas, and these gases diffuse along the tube. After a few minutes, what we can observe? We observe a white ring is seen nearer one end of the tube, as you can see here. Okay, why it is actually nearer to this end? The reason is the molecules and ammonia, the molecules of ammonia and hydrogen chloride, they have diffused. So when the molecules of ammonia and hydrogen chloride, they collide with each other, they react and form a white solid, which is ammonium chloride, as we can see here. Now the question is, why the distance is different, okay, from both gases? Why? Because the white ring is nearer the hydrogen chloride end of the tube. It shows that hydrogen chloride is a heavier molecule than ammonia, and it has covered less distance than ammonia. Down there we can see the equation also of the reaction: ammonia reacting with hydrochloric acid forming ammonium chloride. The conclusion is the ammonium chloride forms closer towards the HCl because ammonia particles have a lower mass, therefore diffuse faster. Thank you.